आज हम पढ़ेंगे फन विथ अल्फाबेट। लुक, लिसन एंड से। कैपिटल ए, स्मॉल ए, A for apple. Capital B, small b, B for bat. Capital C, small c, C for cat. Capital D, small d, D for dog. Capital E, small e, E for elephant. Capital F, small f, F for fish. Capital G, small g, G for grapes. Capital H, small h, H for hat. Capital I, small I for ice cream. Capital J, small j, J for jug. Capital K, small k, K for kite. Capital L, small l, L for lion. Capital M, small m, M for mango. Capital N, small n, N for nose. Capital O, small o, O for orange. Capital P, small p, P for pencil. Capital Q, small q, Q for queen. Capital R, small r, R for rabbit. Capital S, small s, S for sun. Capital T, small t, T for tree. Capital U, small u, U for umbrella. Capital V, small v, V for van. Capital W, small w, W for watch. Capital X, small x, X for X-ray. Capital Y, small y, Y for yak. Capital Z, small z, Z for zebra.